Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 6. Today, we are going to continue the chapter 2, whole numbers. And today's topic is patterns in whole numbers. This is the last topic of this chapter, patterns in whole numbers. Children, here in this session, we are studying how to arrange a number in different way. Okay, and made up of dots. Okay, so some numbers we can arrange in elementary shapes made up of dots. Some numbers we can arrange in elementary shapes made up of dots. Okay, so elementary shapes means as a line, rectangle, square or triangle. Okay, so I will show you that. First, every number can be arranged as a line. Every number can be arranged as a line, isn't it? So how? First I am writing the number 1. The number 1 we can represent as putting one dot. Okay? Then I am writing number 2. We can represent it as 1, 2. 2 dots. Okay? And these dots are in a line, isn't it? So we can arrange or we can show these numbers in a line. Now number 3, 1, 2, 3. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so etc. This way every number can be arranged as a line. Every number can be arranged as a line. Now some numbers we can arrange it as square, and some other numbers we can arrange as rectangle, and some numbers we can arrange as triangle. Okay, so we will check which are the numbers we can arrange like that. Okay, so always remember every number can be arranged as a line. Okay, children, next is some numbers like 6 can be arranged as a rectangle. Some numbers like 6 can be arranged as a rectangle. Let's check how to arrange 6 as a rectangle. Okay, so look here. Look at these children. Here, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so arranging like this, okay, using dots, we can arrange the number 6 like this. Now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are here and 6 dots are here, and this look like a rectangle also. Okay, so 3 in a row and 3 in another row. So this way we can arrange the number 6. Look children, here we can see that it has 2 rows, that is 1, 2. 2 rows and how many columns? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. 3 2s are 6 now. So we can arrange it like this. Okay, when we are arranging it as a dot, you can draw 2 rows and 3 columns like this. Okay, now the next. Now next is some numbers like 4, 9, it can be arranged as square. Okay, some numbers like 4, 9 can be arranged as a square. Okay, let's check how. So number 4 we can arrange as 2 into 2, isn't it? That is 2 rows and 2 columns like this. Okay, 2 into 2 is the way to arrange the number 4. Okay, so it's look like a square and it's a square number. So next is 9. The number 9 we can arrange as 3 into 3, isn't it? So 3 rows and 3 columns we can draw for 9 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now 9 is look like a square. Okay, the number 9 is look like a square. Every square number is also a rectangular number. Okay, all the numbers which we can arrange in a square can also be arranged in rectangle. Okay. So note that every square number is also a rectangular number. Okay. Children, next is some numbers like 3, 6 can be arranged as a rectangle. Some numbers like 3, 6 can be arranged as a triangle. Triangle. Okay. Some numbers like 3, 6 can be arranged as a triangle. Okay. So let's check how that. Number 3. Number 3 we can arrange in two ways. The first one is as a line. We can arrange all the numbers, every number as a line, and the number 3 can be arranged as a triangle also. Look. So 1. Look. This shows number 3, and here we arranged it as a triangle. Now number 6 we can arrange like 1, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here the number 6 is arranged as a triangle. Got it, children? Children, now we are going to check the numbers which we can arrange in line, rectangle, square or triangle. So the numbers given in one side, it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, this is from your textbook textual exercise. So first you check the number 6 can be arranged as a line or not. Yes or no? Yes. We know all the numbers and every number we can arrange as a line. So here in the first section it's all yes. Right? We can arrange all the numbers as line. So S for all the numbers. Now look here, rectangle. Is the number 6 can be arranged as a rectangle? We know 6 is 3 2s are 6, isn't it? So 3 rows and 2 columns, or 2 rows and 3 rows and 2 columns. Both shows it can be arranged as rectangle, isn't it? Yes. So you can write here yes. And so tell me, children, is the number 6 can be arranged as square? No. It can't be arranged as square. It can be arranged as rectangle only. So here you can write no. Then is the number 6 can be arranged as triangle? Yes, because 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? This form we can arrange the number 6 as triangle. In first row 1 dot, second row 2 dots, third row 3 dots, which shows number 6. So yes. Now next, number 7. Number 7 can be arranged as a line. Then what about rectangle? No. Number 7 can't be arranged as a rectangle, and we cannot arrange as a square, and we can't arrange it as a triangle. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay. Now next number 8. Number is 8. So the number 8 can be arranged as line. Then rectangle. Yes. We can draw 8 like 4 2s are 8, isn't it? So 4 rows and 2 columns. 4 rows and 2 columns will show the number 8. Okay, you can put a dot accordingly. So 8 can be arranged as rectangle. Then square, no. Then triangle, no. Now next number is 9. Next number is 9. Okay, tell me, children, is the 9 can be arranged as a line? Yes, that we know. Number 9 we can arrange as line. Then is we can arrange as a rectangle. Yes. How? 3 3s are 9, right? So 3 into 3, 3 columns and 3 rows. We can take to arrange 9. Okay. So yes. And this number 9 can be arranged as square also. And it can't be arranged in triangle. Then 10th one, the number 10, we can arrange as line and we can arrange it as rectangle because 5 2s are 10, isn't it? So 5 rows and 2 columns, like that we can arrange, or 2 rows and 5 columns, like that we can arrange. Now next is square. Yes or no? No. But we can arrange it as a triangle because 1 1 2 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4. This way we can arrange the number 10 as triangle. Okay. Now 11. The number 11 we can arrange as in a line. We can arrange in a line, but we can't arrange it as rectangle, square or triangle. Okay. Here on no. Next one 12. The number 12 we can arrange as a line and a rectangle also. 6 2s are 12, isn't it? So you can write yes in rectangle but no in square and triangle. Now the number 13. The number 13 we can arrange as line only. All other places it is no. Okay, is it clear, children? Okay, so here some numbers are given and we check how we can arrange it as a dot. Okay, is that dots can form a line, form a rectangle, form a square or form a triangle. This one we checked. Okay. Children, here we are going to discuss some questions. First question, which numbers can be shown only as a line? Which numbers can be shown only as a line? Okay, answer is the numbers 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 14, 17, 19, etc. can be shown as a line. Can be shown only as a line. Okay, we can show these are only as a line. We know every number can be arranged as a line, but these number can be arranged only as a line. Okay. Next question. Which can be shown as squares? Which are the numbers we can show as square? That is the square numbers. That is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. These type of square numbers you can show as shown as a square. Okay. So the square numbers like 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, etc. can be shown as square. Got it? Next, which can be shown as rectangle? The numbers like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, etc. Okay? The numbers like these can be shown as rectangles. Okay, children? Next question. Write down first 7 numbers that can be arranged as triangles. Write down first 7 numbers that can be arranged as triangles. So the numbers are 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28 and 36. These are the first 7 numbers we can arrange as a triangle. Okay, children? Alright. Now next type of question. Next question. Some numbers can be shown by 2 rectangles. Okay, some numbers can be shown by 2 rectangles. For example, 12. 12 we can show like this. 3 into 4. That is 3 columns and 4 rows. Okay, 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, and then 12 we can show as 2 rows and 6 columns. Okay, This way also you can show the number 12. That is 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. So you have to write some more examples of this type. That is the numbers which we can arrange in two types as a rectangle. Okay. So what are the answers? So I am going to write the answer here. Tell me children, the number 16. Okay, here is the answer. Number 16. Okay, 16 we can arrange as 4 into 4. Isn't it 4 into 4 and 2 into 8? So 4 into 4 you can draw here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, which shows 16. And next 2 into 8. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 2 into 8 is also 16. So, the number 16 also we can write like this. In two ways. We can arrange as a rectangle in two ways. That is 4 into 4 and 2 into 8. Like this you can write the next number 18, 20, then 24 and 30 also you can write. 18 you can write 2 into 9. 2 into 9 is 18 and 3 into 6 or 3 into 6. You should draw the dots also. Okay. 2 into 9, that is 2 rows and 9 columns. 3 rows and 6 columns. You can arrange the dot in this way to get 18. Now the number 20 you can arrange as 5 into 4 or 2 into 10. That is 5 rows and 4 columns, 2 rows and 10 columns. Okay, this way also you can arrange. Then number 24 you can write like 4 into 6 or 8 into 3. Okay, then number 30 you can write as 6 into 5 or 2 into 15. Okay, so this way you can arrange these numbers in rectangle form. Got it, children? Okay, so today we discussed the way to arrange the numbers in pattern and how, yes, as a dot and in elementary shapes, that is lines, rectangle, triangle and square shape. Okay, so everyone go through this topic very well and study it all well. Okay, my dears, so see you in the next class. Thank you.